Potato Split Mung beans toast sandwich. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes and one of the most unique of the snacks recipes and one of the most different of the sandwich recipes and one of the most delicious of the unique snacks recipes and one of the most unique of the mung beans recipes. Today we are going to make potato split chickpea toast sandwich. The ingredients are 150 grams of potato peeled and cut into pieces, around 100 grams of split mung beans soaked in water for half an hour, one tomato cut into pieces, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 1 red chili, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, and half a spoon of fenugreek seeds, and 1 onion cut into pieces. The pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the fenugreek seeds. Now put in the fennel seeds. Put in the red chili. Salt. Put in the onion pieces. Put in the garlic. Now put in the tomato pieces. slightly with the rest of the meat. Put in the salt to taste. Put in the potato pieces. Put in the split mung beans. Into the mixture. And pour in a little amount of water with it. Mix thoroughly and let this mixture cook for 10 to 12 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now take 6 slices of bread. From that take 1 slice. And apply the potato and the split lentil to the slice. After mashing up the potatoes with the lentil or the split mung beans, now put another slice on top and press and keep it aside. Now take the next slice and repeat the procedure. Apply the potato mung beans mixture onto the slice and cover it with the next slice. Do this until all the sandwiches are nicely made. The pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the sandwich onto the pan and let it cook. Let it fry or toast. Move the toasted toast around so that it does not stick to the bottom. Now turn it over. And let it fry. Move it around so that the oil is nicely applied to the base of the sandwich on both sides. And take off the pan and onto the plate. Do this with the next sandwich. Move it around and repeat the procedure. Turn it over. Do this until all the sandwiches are nicely toasted. This is the final potato split mung beans toast sandwich. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the sandwich recipes and one of the most different of the beans recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes and one of the most tastiest of the bread recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the toast recipes and one of the most different of the evening snacks recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.